This picture one I see so na Tonto Diken. And the picture where she say yes, na be that one. No, this life I always dey tell people for this generation where we dey, you say you wan marry, you need happiness. Na single mothers, na dem win am. You see those people, if you wan live long for this life, na single mothers. Because this Gen-Z generation where we dey so, if not be single mothers, no marry. Because all those people, get wetin I notice about them, they don't get the experience. Wetin fit happen to them before, they don't want may happen to them again. So they need to think deeply before they accept your relationship. You see all those ones say they never born, they never know wetin be life. They never know wetin be life. Not just go put all your trust on them. If not be single mother, don't marry. They don't get the experience. Back to Tonto Diken. This picture where you post for this your engagement picture, it don't make sense. Na child's play. Because we the online in-laws already know wetin fit sup before. I no fit dey count am for you now. But get where go reach with the in-laws online. But still count am. Not be everything, not be that they carry come out for social media. I know say you be social media person, but this one not just make sense at all. Because normally, this man will propose to you, so now your beauty now attract the man. I say you still get doings. Understand? Because normally you don't pass person where they engage now. You see say yes, you for say no now. See, menopause. Menopause. You don't dey knock. You dey knock. Menopause. See, make I tell you now. I know say most girls now, mostly those who say they don't feel born now. They'll say I can find love at any time. I dey don't be this kind of one, no. Don't be this kind of one. You know say you don't get level. You know say now we barrel push out your call your way. Maria. Maria. Because you see this Tonto Diken, they say 2 years to 3 years time, all this beauty don't fade now. It don't fade. So you make your right choice, but posting it online, that don't make sense. For you doing codedly, nobody will know. Maybe if a leak come out, maybe at your wedding, a leak come out. Not be engagement now, you be small picking. You be small picking. They post and say, I say yes. So I mean, how many people you don't say yes to? So a new thing. So hold this man well, hold am well, because if this man come up for your hand, he go tell. But that time your beauty don't go down. Understand? Your beauty don't go down. Take my advice. Because for person we get wisdom, I they tell you so. Now wait, I won't tell you, now be that one. Don't go use I'm beauty, I'm too sexy. You're old there. So congratulations to you. I'm happy for you. But if you're not posting online, now your wedding, now if you post for online, not be I say yes. I say yes. You understand? Now you make sense. Now small picking. Small. Now not they take advice. So as for young men, I bet if you want to settle down, find single mother. All those people, they don't get experience. They don't fool. They don't get experience. So settle down with them. All this Jay-Z, run, na club, now they know. Weavon, now they know. Wig, now they know. Just settle down with all those ones say they don't get experience. Now, this generation what we did, now single mothers. If you want to settle down, please settle down with single mother. Your days go long on this earth. They know if you use you, they know if you use your future. But you see all those ones say they never born, they go destroy you, they go burn your future. Your future, they go burn now. They go burn now. Your body go tell you. If you not be single mother run, now then they on board now. If you don't marry them, you just get peace of mind. Especially those ones say they don't get 2, 3, 4. You get peace of mind because they will respect you. That they don't want to go back where they come out before. Because you see all this Jesse, they go use your future, cook indomie. They go use your future, play gamble, play naira bet. All this new Jesse, all this new generation, all those ones say they never born. They go ban you, they go ban your future. In fact, they will send your future message. Will be saying no if you return, want to go kill her for road. They go, God, if I return this thing now this I don't wait I return. I'm talking from life experience. Now they tell you so. They will destroy your future. They go see your future. They go roast am like corn. They go roast am like corn. All this one be say they never born. When you get rest of mind, marry single mother, your future go straight. They go send your future message. You go come back. Nothing go do am. Understand? So, congratulations to Tonto Diken. I'm so much happy for you. Even though say na small picky something that you do so, but I still happy for you. Congratulations. I wish you this your new relationship may it last. May not come be saying only 2 years. Understand? I know say it go scatter for 2 years. May you do your relationship well. May not be like saying only 2 years. Understand? And it get a bit. So wanna follow my Facebook page and my YouTube. Wanna follow me so that I will see more updates. One love. See you on my next video. Tonto Diken, congratulations to you. The man is cute. I like the man.